Hello there and welcome to the Long-Haired Hiker YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going through how you can very easily get your route that you've planned on your device onto your Amazfit watch. That could be, I've got the T-Rex 3 here. Obviously the new T-Rex 3 Pros come out now, but you can get it on there from your plotted route on OS Maps to the watch in a matter of seconds, and I'm going to show you now. So let's jump straight into that. So first off, you are going to need to have downloaded OS Maps onto your device. This is what I have here. You can't really see it. I've plotted a route on here. This is basically called YouTube Test, so that you can see when it's on the device how easy that is to go on, and that it is the actual route that I've plotted onto the device. So first up, you want to open the OS Maps. This is the home page to OS Maps. Then you click down on the Save Routes. Here's the route that I made just now, YouTube Test. Click on that. And then you have this export GPX file here. So click on that one there. It comes up straight away with the Zep app. Click on the Zep app. It opens it up. On the top right hand corner, click Save. And then Send to Device. So let's have a little look at the device. Okay, so to get your navigation going from your routes that has been sent to the device, you click the bottom right hand button here, which is also back. You click on Workout at the top here. You go hiking, and then click the little settings bottom at the bottom here. That opens up this next menu. You go to Navigation. Then you click on My Route, and there you have it. You've got your YouTube Test, which has been downloaded onto the watch. Click on that. Click Use Route, and it will enable that route. Then obviously once you've got satellite navigation, you're ready to go, and you'll be able to scroll down to where the maps are and follow along to your route. So it's literally as simple as that. So there you have it, hikers. That literally took me and will take you about under a minute. Once you've plotted the route on there, it's super easy to get it downloaded onto your device and ready to use. I hope that helps. If you like this video or found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps with everything moving forwards. Also, if you do have any questions about the Amazfit T-Rex 3 and getting maps or any kind of like routes put onto the device, then please drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.